Some people seem to be predisposed to this phenomena, and we call it extrasensory perception. And extrasensory perception falls under the category of metaphysics and phenomenology, mind, matter, substance, and attribute. So I discuss a lot of that stuff because there is a phenomenon that exists, and it's outside the realm of materialistic science.
And because we have the wave-particle duality in light, it means that the wave-particle duality in light is a paradox, simultaneously dualistic, hence the reason they call it the wave-particle duality in light.
Right, but it's the same sound. It constitutes an octave. To understand this in music, you have to study physics.
Wave, because sound is actually illustrated on a two-dimensional surface. But when you think about sound is actually is sort of dispersed from a three-dimensional perspective, because it's sort of diatonic scales. It is based on a number system. So the first was something called the juxtaposition of incongruity.